Yes, my friends. Hi, my friends. Elamap in the kitchen again. Ah, Elamap Fitness kinda up and running. The chef. A barbecue yesterday. Nice Jordan's birthday party. But today, home style. I'll show you what I have still. Some light in our place. Right here now, we have a ham. Nice ham. We have a ham with pineapple and freshly picked cherries. Right here we have the rice and peas. Nice rice and peas. And some boiled corn. We have some nice steak. Nice steak. Right. So that's what for dinner today. The nice roast ham with pineapples and freshly picked cherries. Rice and peas. We have the steak and some boiled corns. I have some nice freshly picked. These are plums. These are nice freshly picked plums. Very sweet. These plums are very sweet. So as I can say, see it there? Sorry. Elama Fitness Corner up and running. Play some nice ball this morning. Nice ball, me get. Me play some nice ball this morning. Get a nice workout. So I just come back home, come cook dinner for the kids them. So I have to say, nice roast ham. Nice roast ham. Steak. Boiled corn. Rice and peas. Rice and peas nice and shelly, you know. See it there? A shelly rice and peas. Can I make you get a closer look at the steak them too? See steak them? Some nice piece of steak. Yeah, some nice piece of T-bone steak, you know. Some nice piece of steak. So cover that up. Cover that up. See again, as my seven friends. Elama Fitness Corner up and running. Side the ham. The chef. See it there? So as I say, Elama in the kitchen. Roast ham, pineapples, and freshly picked cherries. Studded with cloves